Hey learner, welcome this video. This video you will learn how to create a professional notepad app. You will run this video how to connect Firebase and how to sign up using Firebase and how to save note and data in Firestore. First of all, we create an account. First of all, I create one account. After sign up, we can see you can add here any node. You can see that you add node and update node here. You can see you can add multiple nodes here and also delete node. And if you click the logout button, then log out to jump this video and make something awesome with Flutter. So guys, first of all, go to Firebase and click this Firebase console and simply create a new project here and type this name notepad and just continue and select anything and create project. Now our project start creating. So wait a few minutes. So click a continue button. Now guys, our Firebase project creating successfully completed. Now we need to connect our project to Firebase. So click over here, add app, and just click this Android icon. And now we need Android package name. Simply click this Android icon and click app and for Bill Gates and simply copy this com.example dot this go to project and paste over here and click register app. And download this Google service. This is very important file. I just download over here and now I copy this and go project and paste here under this app folder. I'm pasted here. Now I click next button and just I copy this and click this setting grids and paste over here. Now also copy this Google service and just simply open this build griddle and just paste here. Now we need to connect Firebase, so simply we need typing here code for this. We need here async and await. We need widget Flutter dot this initialize and need await and Firebase. Now guys, we need to add some packages in Firebase. For this we need Firebase Coro. We need this and simply copy this and go pub space YAML folder and paste over here and need another one. This is out for sign up Firebase out. Simply copy this and go to project and paste over here. We need last one. This is Firebase store. And guys, just simply copy this and go to project and paste over here and click the bucket. Then wait a few minutes. Our library is downloading. So our dependency download successfully completed. Now go here. Now connect the Firebase for this relay type await await Firebase dot initialize app. Now successfully connected Firebase to our Android app Flutter project. Now I remove this default home screen counter app code, and we need first out screen for this need stateful. We need out screen here for sign up and call here. Guys, now we need a condition for this boolean is loading. Loading is true. Loading true. If user have already account, this meaning is true. User login and go home screen. If is login, guys, I change this name is login low. If is login false, that means user have not any account. So the user simply create an account. Now now I will design this logins UI. For this we need the scaffold app bar title app bar title is text title is login is true, then C login. If false, it mean sign up. Now I will run this. Let's see. You can see that the login first open login screen. Okay, now in body we need padding here. We need padding. Stands dot all 16, and under this padding we need a column children. I need text field. Now we need two text field. The one is username, one is email. Final email controller text editing controller, and other is pass. Now simply text field in it controller email controller here, and design box decoration. So here need input decoration here need const need input decoration here label text is email. So you can see, and now I will border outline border side dot none. Now simply copy this and paste over there. And another need is password controller. Password, and we need some space there. Size box, height 20. Yeah, now you can see that. Now we need to create the backend. Now we need to create the backend, this logins app. For this login, you can see our app connected. For see, or we need to enable the authentication. So simply get start and click email and password. Just enable this and save. Yeah, now another need is Firestore database. And click create database and next and create. Guys, after creating database, click rules, and you can see that their default was to just simply change it and write here true and publish. If you not to change this to, then our data not saved here. Now for the project, now I will create the login backend. For this we need future void and submit. I think under this we need to try catch net, try catch save our error, try and catch. Now here if is loading is mean user have an app account. Now user can log in. Now await Firebase out dot instance dot signing with email and password, and Control Alt L. I format this code. Now here I pass email. Here this is email. This email dot text dot trim. The same way I pass here password controller dot text dot trim. Now our login backend is ready. Now need if is login is false, that's mean user have not any account. Now await Firebase out dot instance dot create user with email and password. Now I simply pass here the same way email controller dot text dot trim. The same way I pass password. Now this code error, then I scaffold message show here. Scaffold message dot of content dot show snack bar and here show text error and I pass E. Now check this. Now we need a button to submit button need. Now here we need space text button one page I just simply we need set state. Now if is login equal not equal is login. It means if is login then is login it. User click sign up then sign up here. Now need text is login is false. Is login is true. That's mean user have not account. User create an account. If it is false, this means already have an account. Here you can see that which is text. Now need a button here for this elevation button. Just copy this code and paste here. Here we need just find call this submit function here. Text is login is true, then show here login, else starting up. Copy this and test provide here. Now I will run this app and see. Now first I create an account. Now I click this create an button and you can see now I will create account code gmail.com and password 123456. Simply sign up and you can see that successfully our account created. You can see there is email address and user ID. So guys, I find some error here. We need to change this to our Android your project. For click this here Android and go click app and go Bill Gates and change this here and change this min SDK we need to 23. Now I will run this app again and see what happened. Now solve all errors. Now we need to create a notepad note screen. There's no screen show all notes. node page, and a stateful visit, node page. This node page we will show all saved node. So for this, first of all, we need to collect all data from Firebase. For this, first of all, need a Firebase all data. So for this, we need a collection reference nav string I write this code here. String here pass dynamic those refer and now net final UID equal Firebase out dot instance current user dot UI. Return Firebase stored instance collection. Here the collection users slash UID slash notes. Here the current user UID which node saved, those nodes we fetch this app. Now we need to another, this is delete method. For this we need future void and delete string id here await node wrapper talk id dot delete. Using node id we delete nodes. Now I will create a design. Here scaffold app bar pass title const text my node and here need actually we need one button delete logout button here icon button need here icon icons dot logout and there I simply log out user Firebase. Here Firebase out instance sign out. Now you can see our nodes page skill not showing here. For this I write here a method to if user login, then go to node screen. If user have not login or sign up, then user create an account. For this we need a stream builder here builder pass user. Now this stream builder we need Firebase Firebase out instance dot out Firebase out dot instance out state. I simply move this. Now it is what? Now this builder we need content another need snapshot, and now connection state equal connection state dot waiting. This means it is waiting, then we return a progress bar const center child circular progress bar. If snapshot has data, if snapshot have data is mean user login, then we pass to a node stream node page as this return out page out stream. Now you can say we already have login, that's why it's automatically go node screen. Now we'll say click logout button, then it is automatically logout. Now I'll create another account emailpage.com and password. Now here I will show all save node. For this we need the one button over here, this node screen. Here I pass body. Under this body I pass stream builder here. Then I pass here query snaps snapshot, map, string, and dynamic. We pass here dynamic. Yeah. Now this stream builder, we pass our this. I copy, I cut this and paste over here. Now we need this node refer. This node refer we need. Refer dot order by. Now we'll order by here and just simply time stamp and descending to here dot snapshot. Now this builder we need content and other is snapshot and here I pass condition if snapshot is not empty and has data. This snapshot have not data, then return center child circular infographic bar. And here we finally those equal snapshot dot data not equal now we need another condition here if does is array doc. This name is does. It does is empty. It's in this mean return we return there not that senator simply pass one text knows no knows yet and here return if have a note then we show this list view dot builder and it item builder also view dot builder item builder we need content and here pass index simply and over here we need another simply pass here item counter dot length and simply I return this the list title and we find there we need title and this title we pass notes title data after this return we need another final data and just we pass this index here dot data. Now in this data have a one title this title and this is not exception if title is empty, then no data showing here. In subtitle here, under this subtitle, I pass other text, data, and I pass here content. Yeah. And another need, this is Keyla Usement delete icon. When I click this button, then automatically delete this node or this. I simply generate icon. Under this icons, we need delete icon, and just simply we already created one function for delete here. Simply I call this function here, and here need one ID, and simply I docs need, and under this doc, which index, we select index and delete this ID here. Okay. Now you can see that here is no data. I done this app, there is no data, that's why there are shown no nodes yet. Now over here we need a flattening action bar for flattening action button for create a new data, for creating new nodes. When I click this flattening action bar, then go the add node skin for this flattening action bar. Flattening action button over here, I simply we need icon share. Yes, we need a child. In this child, I need icon. I open here dot add icon, and simply I pass this to add node screen. For this I create the another one screen. This is node editor. Node editor. Can use stateful widget node editor, and the cursor I over here and click this input, then automatically package input. And when I click this button, so you can see here is the button come here, the floating button. When I click this, then this automatically go this screen. For this we need navigator dot push, and here material, page route, builder, content made, and just simply they return this const here pass node editor skin, node editor skin. Now I run this app and click this button, so you can see this go node editor page, but there are no any design for this, they are so blank skin. Now I will design this node editor skin. So this node skin we need final string, node ID need node ID, and another is final map string, and dynamic node data, and simply I define here. Now for this we need to edit text. Here we need to edit text. Over here we need to edit text. Now I will one this title controller name, text editor controller, and final another one is content. content controller. Yeah. Now we need ID. We save node. We save node the file we store the current user ID also. Then when user login, then fetch which user ID login nodes. These nodes come here. For this we need here map. Under this map we need string dynamic. Now I pass this node record. Media dynamic. And we need final, we need UID. I save this UID, the Firestore, the Firebase auth instance dot current user dot UID. I return Firebase Firestore instance dot collection and users slash UID slash node. Now I will create the save node function. For this we need future wait save node async, and we need try catch in infinite binary data equal title is, I pass the title controller here and text, and another is content. Simply pass here. And also I pass time. Time them. Fiber delu dot servers time temp. Now we need another condition here. This is widget node ID equal null. With node ID equal null, then away node stepper dot add data. It means add data else await node stepper dot the widget dot node ID dot update data. Guys, this condition is mean if user node ID is null. It means user not created any node yet. So simply user add first node or new node. If user node ID is not null, this means user already created node. Now he updated this node. So simply update this node. And here navigator of navigator content dot pop. After creating node or update nodes, back to the node page. Now this here, if any error, then show the message scaffold messenger dot of content dot row snackbar content text. Here I pass here save failed. Now they are showing error what this for this comma showing here error. Now we need initialize pair, initialize state. We need another condition if widget node data not equal null. This means node data not empty. This may put here is the sum data. Now simply title controller dot text equal widget dot node data null. I pass here title and this is now same. I copy this and here content controller and here pass I content. Now I start designing here node screen. So I remove this all and add scaffold and F bar title text widget dot node ID. If node ID equal null, this means user have not created any node. Now he get a new node and another is else edit node. It means user already have a node. We edit simply. Yeah, now we need action button, action icon button here, and I pass here save function. Simply user click this save button and save this node or save this node Firebase. Now so yeah, save icon. Yeah, now I done this. Yeah, you can see that they are over here. Now the body, under this body we need padding. Simply we need here is dot all 16 and then need a child. Under this child need column and children. We need two text field at the text field and need controller. We already create this here title controller. Title controller and here and this next line null and expanded to and decoration, input decoration here, in text here need size here. Now I will copy this and paste below. I simply copy this and paste there, and this title control I will no need this. And now I will run this app. You can see now we need some space here. For this we need size box height 10. Now I run. Yeah, now I need content. Yeah, now see what happened. The note save or not. Now I just simply type any note. Yes, so here I pass content controller here. Run again. Now see, title is I, content is I. Select anything, and we can see that our notes successfully saved here. Now we can go Firebase and Firestore. Now you can see, guys, is user collection. This is our ID, and this there save our note. You can see, and this ID is, and this ID we save this user ID. This user ID. Under this user ID, the Firestore save this user. Now I delete this note here. You can see this note and also deleted from here. You can see. You can see that. You can see that our app successfully created this note app. And now I updated this note. Now we need like here updated function. Now updated function over here on tab. Simply copy this. Navigation dot push content and material. Just on here builder we need pass content and return note editor page, and I pass here note ID goes index dot ID I pass, and note data is data. I pass data here. I run this app again and click this first one, and simply I update this. So try my now you can see that our successfully updated our note. I hope this video helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.